Hello everybody, how you doing? Let's continue on modern JavaScript learning. In this session, let's take a look at class, inheritance, and super keyword. Let's take a look at the extends. How we can extend a class from the other. So we have an animal class here, and we want to extend this animal class to a rabbit class. Then we can use the extends keywords. So inside we can create a new method or override the method. Right now we are creating this hide method for rabbit, and we create this rabbit object from the rabbit class. Then we can call the method from the base class and call the method from itself. So we have this function. This function returning a class like this. Then we are able to extend this function to a new subclass like user. Then we can create a new user object, then call the method from the base class. Let's take a look to how we can override a method. We have an animal class here, and we have a rabbit class here. So the rabbit class is going to override the stop method. So inside the stop method, we call the super.stop, which is calling the base class stop method implementation first. Then we call the hide method from the subclass rabbit. Then we create the rabbit object. Then we run the method from the base class. Then run the stop method from the overridden method. Remember, arrow function has no super. So for this example, it won't work because this super is pointing to the animal's base class, which is the object class. But object class doesn't have a stop method. Let's take a look at how we can override a constructor function. We have an animal class here, we have a constructor, and we want to override the constructor in the subclass rabbit. It provides two parameters. We can call the base class the constructor implementation by super name. Then we can do the rest logic for the rabbit's constructor. Then we can create the rabbit rabbit object with the new construct function here. Let's take a look at the static method and inheritance. In this animal class, we have a static method compare. Then we create a new subclass rabbit from this animal class. We are able to directly call that static method from the rabbit, the new subclass, like this. Let's take a look at this example. It tells us we can extend the built-in classes like array, and the other classes also can be extended. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you next time.